Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering a 2H pencil, eraser, ruler, and an 11-inch sheet. Start with a 16 by 6 grid to map proportions. Use the car length as your main unit and mark wheel centers at roughly 1/4 and 3/4 along the length. Draw a baseline for the ground and a roofline 5 inches above baseline if using an 11-inch sheet. Sketch a low nose and a gently sloped windshield, keeping the hood short and the cabin long for the Model X silhouette. Next, block out the main volumes with light lines and simple shapes. Block out the cabin as a tapered rectangle occupying 55% of the car length. Place the wheels using a 28% wheel diameter relative to car height, then indicate falcon wing door seams with a curved vertical gap behind the B-pillar. Refine wheel arches to sit about 1/8 of the wheel diameter above centerline, then connect body lines. A crisp shoulder, a soft lower rocker, and a sloping rear hatch that meets the taillight band. Move to refinement. Erase construction lines and darken final outlines for panels and glass. Shade panels with directional strokes to indicate curvature, varying pressure to show reflections on glass and paint. Add highlights along the hood center and roof ridge using an eraser or white paint, and deepen shadow under the chassis and inside wheel wells for contrast. Draw the grille-less front, slender LED lights, mirror shape, and wheels with 5-spoke patterns. Sign and date with small letters at 1/2-inch height when satisfied.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.